you know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you.
Hey man, say man, it's your girl JehNotJay back in the building with another banger. What y'all doing? Where y'all at? Where y'all going? Cause now that y'all TV show is on, tune in and cut everything else off. No, I'm just playing. But listen, y'all, I feel like this binge should have been something I've been doing. So maybe I'll take the time out to go through every sneaker that I do have. But today we are getting into a sneaker review. And listen, I know it's well overdue. It's like, dang, Jay, you been buying shoes. You been in the shoes. Like, what got you there? How did you get here today? We're going to get into all that, okay? We're going to get into all that. But for today, we are going to be looking at the black metallic 5s, Reimagined, because, of course, these came out before I was even born, y'all. Fun fact, it's so crazy because these Jordan 5s came out in 1990. Like, Jordans have evolved over time. They be looking so different. It be so many changes, like with the shoes, like the materials, like the way that they age over time. Like, so much has changed in the shoe game. Even the prices, like I've been seeing the prices steady climbing from what they used to be. So it's totally a whole nother ball game right now. When it comes to Jordan 5s, I do love me a good Jordan 5. I feel like they're made for like people with narrow toes, like they're for narrow foot people. So if you have a wide foot, I wouldn't even try on these Jordan 5s because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like I be seeing y'all, you feel me? Foot be a little wide to the side, you know, it be, you know, shoe be a little sandwiched up, you know what I'm saying? Looking like it just got wrapped from McDonald's or something. Like, that ain't the look, y'all. Like, this is truly made for a narrow foot. And it's crazy because Jordan used to hoop in his Jordans. Like, he used to have on a brand new pair almost every game, hooping in them though, like feet bleeding. So it's crazy to see, like, y'all be out here wearing these Jordans. I'm telling y'all, this is not a shoe to hoop in. Well, I'm not hooping in them. Y'all do what y'all want to do, but I'm not hooping in no Jordans. But me personally, like, when it comes to the Jordan 5, it's not my favorite when it comes to like Jordan numbers. However, I do love me a good Jordan 5. Like, I just feel like the look, it looks so nice. Rather the pants is a cuff on the end, rather it's some loose fitting pants. Either way, like, it read. I just think sometimes y'all be dressing crazy in the Jordans. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm tired of seeing the white t-shirts with the moto jeans with the 5s. Okay? Retire the moto jeans. I'm tired of seeing the white tees. Like, let's get creative. Like, when it comes to dressing, like, when it comes to really putting it on, I want to see something different from the community, from people in general. Like, y'all just be throwing these 5s on. Y'all be throwing on any pair of J's or Yeezys because, you know, Asics. It's so many shoes that's, like, popular right now. Y'all just be throwing it on with the fit that I see all over the internet. Like, use Pinterest. It's actually a pretty good form of ideas. It's a pretty good way to learn what you do and don't like. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to me and the Jordan 5s, oh my God, y'all, I want to say the first Jordan 5s that it's not even a Jordan 5 per se, but I remember before I really learned about retros and stuff, I used to wear Spizikes. It's so crazy because right now people love to flame people and dog people for wearing flights and stuff. They probably don't even know that they wearing them. Because when I always had Jordans, like retros, flights, you name it. And I truly didn't know the difference. And now that I know, like, the differences for real between the retro and Reimagined and, you know, like the OG colorways and stuff, like, now I'm like, okay, no, that makes sense. But that takes a person who truly has interest. So I think once I, like, transitioned from the Spizikes for real, I remember getting the Lannies, and then I dribbled over to, you know, the red, the full red. I want to say those the Bulls. I'm not sure what the name of them are. The gym red, maybe. Chill on me. I have so many pairs, like, I have to jump back into what I know. But I have both version of the Lannies, the all blue and the all white. And I just remember trying them on, and they do not fit like all Jordans. Like, to me, every Jordan fit different. So I remember trying them on, and I was like, dang, these tough. Like, I do like these. You know what I'm saying? And ever since then, I kind of just been finding my love into these shoes. But I'm not the kind of person who just buy Jordans and stuff based on, you know, like, just based on what's the hype or if it's going to sell out or whatever. Every shoe that I've purchased, I've worn. Every shoe that I've purchased, I liked. already had saved in my calendar the previous year, because you know, the people who know there's a sneaker calendar, so you already know what's dropping, you know, the next year, so you can already plan ahead what drops you do and don't like. So when I look at these Jordan 5s, I think that it's a real nice prestige look. I hate suede for real, because once it get dirty, it's hard to clean, but I love the way these shoes look. So clean, so crisp. I feel like you could really wear them with anything for real. Not anything, but like don't do too much. I feel like you could go simplistic when it comes to like putting it on with this shoe. I believe that the Jordan 5s, you should go up a size, regardless if you have narrow feet or not, just because like the way that the Jordans over time are starting to fit, they starting to feel a little tight. But as far as my thoughts and what I feel about the Jordan 5s, the Reimagined black metallic, I didn't get a chance to get them. You know what I'm saying? So when an OG colorway get reimagined, 9 times out of 10, I'm trying to get that, because I wasn't even thought of or born when these Jordans dropped. You know what I'm saying? So I can admire a classic that got redone. I can imagine, I could be thankful for a reimagine. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes to these Jordans, like, and I'm copping shoes, I'm copping stuff because this is what I like. I'm not no follower. But I think that this is a tough drop, a tough release. I feel like you should buy what you want. So I can't say I recommend, because at the end of the day, everybody swag different. What y'all like could be different. What y'all see will be different. So it's, as long as you getting what you like and you buying a shoe that best fits for you, you straight. And that's just my thoughts. But I appreciate y'all for coming. I appreciate y'all for checking me out. I will be doing more sneaker reviews where I'll be talking about the shoe, telling y'all what I like, don't like. You know, I'll never buy a release that I dislike. So if y'all don't like the release, cool. Do what you got to do. But I'm going to buy whatever release that I like. But I do appreciate y'all for coming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Your girl, JehNotJay, in the building. Peace.
I can see me sitting in the back of a cop car, banging my head on a window. I can see me slamming that last cop shot glass with an